PSN College of Engineering and Technology. The motto of the college is Work is Worship. The vision is to provide an academic environment to learn, work, and do research, enabling the students face challenges in life with strong ethical values. And the mission is to achieve greater heights of excellence in technical knowledge and skill development through innovative teaching and learning practices, to develop the infrastructure to meet the demands of technological revolution, to improve and foster research in all dimensions of betterment of the society, to develop individual competencies to enhance the employability and entrepreneurship in students, to instill higher standards of discipline among students, inculcating ethical and moral values for societal harmony and peace. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources on the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of the data. The courses offered at PSN are Computer Science and Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Aeronautical Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Civil Engineering, Marine Engineering, Mechanical and Automation Engineering, and Aeronautical Engineering. Cut-off marks for various casts and various departments. For OC it is 91 to 137, for BCM 95 to 129, for BC 106 to 134, for MBC 83 to 104, for SC 83 to 107. Facilities are: library consists of central and departmental libraries which collectively support the educational needs of all programs. Library has automated all its services. It has a vast collection of books, reference books, bound volumes, journals, conference proceedings, e-books, CDs or DVDs, student thesis, e-journals, etc. The library is having a total collection of 60,509 volumes and 18,060 titles of textbooks and reference books. 6 numbers of national journals and 17 numbers of international journals is available. E-journals are subscribed from British Council Online, Delnet Online, and National Digital Library of India, Kharagpur. Transport: the institution has a strong transport system with a fleet of bus operating from the campus. They facilitate the ease of conveyance for both students and staff. The buses ply to and from prominent parts of city of Tirunelveli and its suburban areas. The college has good transport facilities for day scholar students. Healthcare: a 16-bedded medical center equipped with basic infrastructure provides medical attendance to the students and staff with the facility of 2 qualified medical officers and 5 full-time staff nurses at medical center. Ambulance is available on the campus for 24 hours. A separate medical care center is functioning under the same roof for the girls in the college. And the other facilities at PSN are cafeteria, sports, hostels, ATMs, internal quality assurance cell, fast track scheme, and stipend for research scholars. Assessment statistics of PSN from the day it was established. 321 companies participated, 19,200 students participated, 4,800 students shortlisted, and 745 spot offers issued. And the main recruiters are Infosys, Flex, Microsoft, Rexroth, Bosch Group, Titan Company, National Instruments, HP, Intel, Dell, Gesco, Sanmina, MRF, CSE, HCL, Amazon, PayPal, Virtusa, Polaris, Azu, Accenture, Bosch, Kone, Myntra, Tefe, TCS, Reliance Industries Limited, Philips, Tech Mahindra, Simra, FinSurge Pte Limited, Sutherland, L&T, Wipro, MRF, and many more. Credits at PSN. All the students of PSN College of Engineering and Technology under autonomous stream are expected to register and earn 20 credits course apart from maximum credits required for UG programs for the award of the degree. The students are free to choose any activity or program or course of their choice to earn the required number of credits. And some of them are social awareness programs 2 credits, extracurricular activities 2 credits, value added programs 3 credits, student volunteers 1 credit, international certification 3 credits, professional training programs 2 credits, and activities like cleaning the campus 1 credit, and camps organized by NCC NSS 2 credits, and donating blood only one time only, an international language certificate 3 credits, career oriented programs 2 credits, NPTEL course or examination 3 credits, publication in national or international journals 3 credits, publication in national or international conference 2 credits, participation in conference, workshop, symposium 1 credit, clearing proficiency examination 3 credits, self learning programs 2 credits, membership in professional bodies national 1 credit and international 2 credits, representing the college in cultural competitions in reputed institute or organizations 3 credits, participation in media 2 credits, winning an award in state level 2 credits, winning an award in district level 2 credits, and any award by a B or BTech student in state or district level competition organized by central, state, or district authorities is eligible for extra 2 credits, and representation on sports and games 4 credits, adventure sport 2 credits, bravery award 2 credits. College counseling code is 4964. Contact college at 4634-279-009 or 279-680 or 279-681 or 94425-91134. Website is www.psncet.ac.in. College is located at PSN Nagar, Melathidiyur Post, Palayam Kotai Taluk, Tirunelveli 627152. And the mail ID is principaloffice@psncet.ac.in.